Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on YouTube app, we click on settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.